Cinnamon Bun seems a little active this morning. Maybe her eyes are feeling better.
Well, it's snowing. Not a lot though. Let's see. Snowing morning.
Morty loves snow. I'm hoping that it will snow enough so we can utilize the thing I got for the bunnies last summer. It's getting white outside. That's the thing I was talking about. To our disappointment, it didn't snow a lot. That's all I gathered outside because it was already starting to melt.
It's gonna melt. Bunny, what's right here? Melting. Oh, it's snow. It's snow, Bunny.
He looks alert.
I think Baba's already sleeping.
It might not be enough to dig. I don't know why, but he looks very cautious. He hasn't seen snow since last winter.
I put some pellets.
It's crummy weather for the other human though. It's his birthday and he wanted to play golf. The bunnies and I made a key lime pie for him. I actually kept the snow from this morning in the freezer.
It might be too hard. Is it too hard? Maybe.
All the snow outside melted by the afternoon. It's probably too hard to dig, but Morty likes nibbling it. Maybe his hands got cold. I wish there was a little more snow so they can dig. But I think they got to enjoy a little taste of winter. Then my computer broke. I'm sure Morty has nothing to do with it. It's just old and falling apart. Then I noticed he's got hiccups. I agree with Cinnamon Bun. He's definitely using that box as a bed.